The phrase side hustle does sound a little bit scummy, doesn't it? But at the end of the day, what are we looking for? What do we want? We want a little bit of extra money. We just want to make things a little bit easier. We want to pay the bills without worrying. We want to be able to go and buy stuff if we fancy it. We want to be able to go on holiday when we want and where we want. So a side hustle can definitely help us to do that. But what kind of side hustle can actually work? Everything in the world is going up, isn't it? The cost of everything is going up. Everything's going up but wages. Our income is either staying where it is or going down a lot of the time. So that can be tough. And wanting a little bit more is natural, because it gives you choices, it gives you options. And I am all for helping people do that. I've been doing that for the last 10 years, helping people to make more money and teaching people how to make money online. Now, I've actually got a side hustle for you here today. I don't even want to call it a side hustle because that does sound a bit scammy, but let's call it a side hustle for the sake of this video. And the difference about this one is it actually genuinely works. And without wishing to sound like one of those scammy sales videos that you've probably watched, you actually can make a decent amount of money with this. So I would genuinely urge you to watch this video all the way to the end if you would like to know how you can start your side hustle today. I've been working full-time online now for myself from home for almost a decade. And in that time, I've generated millions of dollars in sales. I've even generated almost $250,000 in a single month. But nothing has got me quite so excited about this incredible little side hustle that levels the playing field. And it's enabling very ordinary people to make extraordinary amounts of money, recurring income that just keeps coming in month after month. Now, this new opportunity is called Skool. That's Skool, and it's already created multiple multi-millionaires and is definitely becoming one of the easiest ways for you to make money online in 2026. There are people from all walks of life, all ages, all races, all genders, all backgrounds, making a few $1,000s a month, $10,000 a month, $50,000 a month, $100,000 per month, $200,000 per month, even $400,000 per month on this platform with their own communities. And the guy that's making $400,000 per month is only in his 20s and he's doing it as a one-man band. He doesn't even have any staff, no team, just him. And he does it with just 2 hours a day. So you can see the potential here. You don't need any premises, you don't need any staff, you don't need any vehicles, you don't need any overheads, and you won't have any stress. Now, my Skool community is completely free to join, so you've got absolutely nothing to lose and so much to gain. Now, there's a really good opportunity to make money, and my members have already started doing this. And all you need to do is if you click on invite, you see you can copy this link here and you're going to earn 40% commission for life. So you can invite friends and family, anyone you find online, and you're not actually selling them anything because what you're doing is giving them free access to this. So you're actually giving them a gift, and that's really, really powerful. And then if they upgrade to premium, you'll get 40% commissions for life, which can add up to quite a nice little recurring income. My community has now got 839 members, and it's a lively, vibrant community. But the thing about it is as well, there's a lot of support. We also have a lot of fun. I mean, if you take a look at this, for example, this is a prompt that I showed the team just to have a little bit of fun so they could get an image of themselves abseiling down a building with a little gun on their side there. And everybody's been piling in. You can see David here is looking pretty cool. We've got Kathleen again looking amazing. We've got Emerson looking super tough. We've got Addie looking incredible. We've got Ted looking amazing. We've got Joyce looking fantastic. We've got Castina looking amazing. It's just a bit of fun, all right? Because, at the end of the day, this is a community and it's a place where you can just come and you can hang out and you can get some support, get some help with your progress when it comes to making money online. But of course, there's also the classroom element to it. So when you first come in, it's free to join. But if you want to access the rest of the content and most importantly, the live calls, because I get on a live call every single week, then you'll need to upgrade. But you do get the phase 1 completely free. So everything you see here is all completely free, and that will get you started on your journey. Now, the live calls are where I can really give you some individual help, and I can take a look at what you're doing, and I can really push you forward when it comes to creating your own Skool community and getting YouTube videos for traffic and just moving towards the recurring income. So we had our first call on the 6th of January, and now they run every single week. So the first one, as you can see, there was 1 hour and 39. The next one was 1 hour and 48, and the next one was 1 hour and 54. They've gradually got a bit longer, but that's just because I'm going through the students. I'm taking a look at what they've got, and I'm giving specific advice. It's like the closest you can get to one-to-one coaching, but a fraction of the cost. Now, if you do want to upgrade, then at the moment there is a very special offer. Because this is new, I've got a founder members only discount. All right. So if you wanted to join Unlock with Premium, it's just $27 per month. If you wanted to go annual, then that works out, you save 30%, and it works out at the equivalent of just $18 per month. Now, when I first set this up, it was at $47 per month, but I thought, do you know what? Let's give more people a chance to come in because I really want to help as many people as I can. So I've cut it to $27 per month for the first 100 founding members. So if you do fancy upgrading, then you're going to get in at the discounted price. So the journey that you'll go on is you're going to learn how to use YouTube traffic to drive real people who are interested in what you've got to say to your own school community and then generate a recurring income. It's proven from the back offices of school that YouTube is the best converting traffic source to get new members into a community. So that's why I'm teaching this, because it's the natural way to do it and it works. It absolutely works. I'm doing it myself. Now, I'm getting quite a lot of good feedback from the members in there, and I just wanted to show you a couple of these. This is from Addy. Addy says, this is very important. To get people in your community, you need an audience. To get an audience on YouTube, you need consistent performance. YouTube values this, will rely on your quality and start to push out your videos more and more as time goes. Result equals you get to tell more and more people about your community. This is the second video that I did based on @TrevorCarr's feedback with success. Subscribers, likes, comments, and 400 views and climbing. I'm Trevor Carr, by the way, the owner of this community. And take a look at this. So this has had 251 more views than normal. Viewing time is 6.6 more hours than normal. And this video's already got Addy an extra 3 subscribers, and it's pushing people through to his own community. Now, at this stage, I just want to say to you, my community here, Victorable, itself is only 4 weeks old. And in that time, Addy has joined and has now built his own community and is using what I teach in there to get traffic through to that and get new members. Addy also posted this 4 days ago, which was lovely. Shout out to Trevor. Big thank you at Trevor Carr for showing real leadership, for your friendly approach and your advice. Thank you for doing this with love and real care. It separates you from the rest. And you know, I think it means the world to me to see that. And then Emerson says, you're absolutely right, Addy. Some of us really need a mentor who really cares about not only us, but his communities. And at Trevor Carr, you are showing that to us. We love you, brother. And so I farted hearts to Emerson because I love my community. And then Cornelia says, here, at Addy, at Trevor Carr, all that love and gratitude makes this an extra special place to be. And then Tony says, at Addy, great message. In all honesty, I do forget to be grateful, but I am. Thank you, Trevor Carr, for everything so far. Peggy says, I do not remember if I thanked Trevor for all the things he helps us with, and thank you so much. Ruth says, gratitude is the winner's attitude. Wow, what a great first post to read at Addy about this community and leader at Trevor Carr. Grateful to be with grateful people. Already blessed to hear this. Now to the classroom. You know, and this is just so lovely to see. Brian says, agreed at Addy, Trev is the best. So I'm showing you this so you can get a feel for the kind of community that this is and the kind of support and genuine care that you'll get with me steering the ship. Now, here's the good news, guys. Look, if you decide that you want to try your own community, first of all, you can join my community for free, okay? If you decide that you want to start your own community, you can do that for just $9 per month. It gets you everything that the Pro version gets you, except for a custom URL, and you're going to have some suggested communities, and you're going to miss some advanced analytics. But pretty much everything you need to do is on there. There is a higher transaction fee at 10% compared to 2.9, but you can soon move over to Pro whenever you're ready. But that is a really cheap business to start at $9 per month, and you can start for free. If you click the link below this video, then you'll go through to the About page, and just to the right-hand side of that, you'll see the Join button. So just click on that, and then you'll go into pending, and I'll let you in as soon as I get a chance to do that. Now, depending on when you do that, you know, I could be asleep, so you're gonna have to give me a little bit of time, but I'll get you in as soon as I can. But on that page, you'll see some videos and you'll see some images and you'll see a little bit of text. It'll give you more of an idea about this, but you should already know whether or not this is for you. As soon as you're in there, then we can start working on your brighter future. And I am so excited because I know that I'm changing lives. I can see it already, and maybe you're gonna be the next. Now, one thing I'd recommend you do as soon as you join is download the School app onto your phone. Actually, once you've got things up and running, you can manage your entire business from your phone in this platform. It really is easy to do, but it's also going to give you the ability to keep in contact and be able to engage in the community and watch the training, whether you're on your laptop, your Mac, your PC, or if you're out and about, you can do it on your phone. Now, what I love about this platform is that it's so transparent. Yeah, you can actually go on there and you can take a look at all the different communities. You can see who owns the community, who's running the community. You can see how active the community owner is, which is incredible. And then you can see how many members they've got and how much they're charging, so you get a good feel for how much they're making. Also, if they're a top earner, then they're going to have a little emoji next to their name, and then that's going to give you an idea of how well they're doing. So the transparency is brilliant. It means that everybody's got a real fighting chance of getting incredible success with this. So what are you waiting for? Are you going to come and join me? It's free, there's nothing to lose, and there's so much to gain. This is a fantastic opportunity. And if you felt like you've been trying for years to crack the online thing and all you need is a little bit extra, or maybe a lot extra, then this is for you. You know, I'm going to show you how you can take something that you're knowledgeable about or passionate about and then teach people that. Go ahead and click the link below this video now, and I will literally see you on the inside. All the best.